Hey, welcome back, you guys. Sean and Alice here, Bay Real Experts, Coldwell Banker Realty, and today we are at Sunbird, the West Tower, unit number 110, and we are right outside the pool. Alice, you want to tell us a little bit about this and who it's listed with?
This is a beautiful unit, really nice. So, listing provided by Renae Voda with EXP Realty. Thank you, Renae, for allowing us to do a video showing of this unit. It is so nicely done. It is really, really nice. All the details, you have the LVP floor, and this is a one bedroom. The bedroom is in the back, close to the front door.
Let me go back to the front door and go to the bedroom and check that out.
And is a 609 square feet.
Yeah, lots of detail in here that is really, really smart and looks great. I love the nightstand built-ins. Saves some space on the floor, makes it easier to keep clean. You got more room to get in and out of bed. It's really, really smart. As Alice mentioned, the square footage, these are smaller units. So using your head when designing the features of a place like this, it's really appreciated.
Love all the details. And the view is not bad at all.
Is that door open?
Let me try. Yes, sir.
Let's go outside and check out the pool and the view of the Gulf.
They're rebuilding all this deck. As you can see, they started this side going towards the east side. Sunbird took a heartbeat during the hurricane, and they got all the windows and slide glass doors replaced, so it's looking really nice now. It's right next door to Pineapple Villas.
Yep.
You can walk there to get an adult beverage.
All right, you guys, that wraps up this tour of Sunbird 110. If you have any questions, I'm going to leave Alice's contact information down below. And if you guys have property you need to buy or sell in Sunbird, we'd love to help you with that.
Give us a call.
Talk to you guys on the next one.
Thanks so much.
Oh.
Bye-bye for now.
Wait.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah, hit the like button too. Thanks, you guys. See you next time.
Bye.